right.
This is barn find. On today's barn find.
Going back 350
You know how they throw the
for my son's truck. Not this one. He's got a different one. I sold him a long time ago. 95 Chevy 4x4.
We pulled this out of
It's got a 305 Aaron wanting to convert it over to a 350. So yeah.
Yeah, sitting in the guy's barn for whew, a long time.
Long time.
Cheap
Yeah, we'll
barn
get this
find,
sucker
man.
out. Go through it, rebuild it for him. Yeah. Man, but I don't know. It's like, I still say somebody's been through it because those freeze plugs are, where's that light at? Right down there. Because, man, I'm telling you. Even the freeze plugs on that other side. I mean, look at those freeze plugs. I mean, those things are new in there. So
It's one of those mysterious barns.
yeah, I mean, even the one over on this side.
Maybe redid it.
So we'll
Dropped
know
it
till we
back.
get it in
Yeah, dropped it back off.
or
next
get
to
it
the
apart.
horses.
Yeah, yeah,
Look, see? All this horse fur.
yeah. There you go. So
Yeah,
we tearing this sucker down, going through it.
Stay tuned, everyone. See what this baby looks like when it's cracked open. Is it gonna have 20 years of dust on the inside?
So all right, we ran the heads on these. They're 76cc heads, 194 valve,
Oh, ran
Just- stock junk Chevy heads
ran that number.
off the backside.
Supposed
the
to
block.
be from a 64 to 78 from the time year.
74, 78.
Yeah, 74, 78.
Yeah. So it's probably got flat tops. We'll see. Flat tops pistons in it. I could bore scope that, you know. Could stick a camera down in there and look. See if they got the dish, not flat tops. Did I say flat tops? The dish dome pistons in them.
Oh, you got the turbo or hydro
Oh, yeah.
transmission.
Yeah.
Transmission
We'll
hook.
get it apart.
Barn
See
find.
what's up. Be good for that old 95 Chevy 1500 4x4 he's got. Get that sucker in there. Stay tuned. See ya.
Pull the truck out and drop it lower.
Yeah. Okay, guys, got another one for you. My son stopped over at the house the other day and said he needed my help. So he didn't really let me know what was going on until he got here. But here we go with the small block 350. So he dropped this off to me. Got it out of his truck. I had a 1995 Chevy Silverado. What's they called? Single cab. 4-wheel drive truck that I drove for 20-something years. And I sold it to him probably 5 years ago. So when he was a baby, that's the truck that he always rode in. I had the truck. It's got a 305, and we're going to upgrade it to a 350. So when I drove it, it always done wonders for me. It's a reliable truck at that time. When I had a bunch of child support going on, if that truck ever broke down on me, ever gave me any problems, there's no way. I mean, it would put me in such a bind because I couldn't afford to get anything fixed at that time. So it's a really good truck. It really is. And I sold it to him. He drove it for, I don't know, I want to say 3 years. I don't know. And then the motor finally gave out. So we're going to crack this one open, see what this one's about, and go from there. I did bore scope it a little bit last night. I think it has flat top pistons in it. So we're definitely going to find out about that. 70, like I did put another video before this one. It's 76 cc heads, Edelbrock Performer intake, but it's got a what do you call it? Split bore. I think that's what I called it last night. Spread bore. That's what it is. Spread bore. For like your quads, junks, and everything else like that. So I don't know if he's going to use this. I don't know. It had a HEI distributor in it. He got rid of that. He's not going to use that. So we're going to crack it open and see what's going on. I don't know about the piston walls or anything else like that. The motor's been sitting for a while. I don't know how long. It could be a good while. Don't know. But we're going to get into this one. So the camera angles are kind of funny. What it is, I don't have a cameraman to hold it for me. So we're going to see. We're going to find out what's going on. So let me get this a little bit closer and we'll take off from there. So I did loosen some of the bolts up on the intake, so I'm going to go ahead and pull that off right now. If you can't see me, well, you're wanting to look at the motor, not me anyway. So anyway, but like I said, man, we took this thing apart. I looked at some of it last night, and this thing it's a really, really clean motor. Not kidding you. I mean, it's clean on the inside. I mean, it's spotless down through here. No, nothing. I mean, everybody, they did a really good job of changing oil in this. I don't know. Like I said, it could be worse further down, but let's get down in it. I did loosen the valve cover bolts off also. But it's even clean down in there too. So let me buzz all this apart here and see if we can get something going. I'll tell you what, let me take this side off first. That has less over there. I don't got to mess with the alternator bracket, whatever. So let me take that one off first. I did lay some sockets out for it. So there. Damn. Huh. I thought those were 9/16, 5/8. Let me change sockets. Hang on. All right, I went ahead and loosened all the rocker iron bolts off. I got the push rods out. I took all the head bolts out of that one side, so the head's ready to come off. This is the motor that I grew up on. Is small block Chevy, so I love them. Some people don't, but could be Ford people. But this is what I grew up on, and so for me, it's easy to work on. Yeah, so let me get something else going on here, and I'll get a closer look for you guys. Like I said, I grew up on these motors. Love them. Always worked on them. So but this does have flat tops in it though, so that's awesome. Look at here. Oh yeah. No dish piston here. Dang. What I was afraid of. Like I said, every video you always watching me, I'm always like, let me get a light, let me get a light. I always just forget to bring it over. Yeah. So, son's name is Skylar. Skylar, this is thought I seen it in there, but yeah. Our flat tops, buddy. And let me get a little, oh, right there it is. Um, this motor has already been bored over 30. Does it on top of the pistons. I did another small block Chevy for Jeff's son Jacob and Jeff. Jeff, when we cracked his open, I think his was what, 40 over. I think so. I think his was bored 40 over. Well, this one is bored 30 over. So I'm hoping the piston walls are good. So don't have to change them. So Skylar, you have a 355 right now, not a 350. I just want to do it real light. I don't want to do something real heavy on it. I can't scuff it up a little bit. You can see it. But I was right on when I bore scoped this, so I thought it did have flat tops, and it did. So let me scuff this up a little bit. There. Try not to take it all the way out, but man, it looks like I'm taking it out. I don't know if the camera's gonna pick up on that. But that is a .030 right there. Ooh, you can still see the cross hatchings in this. So this motor must not have been ran very long. I don't know. We've seen those lines yesterday too. There's some lines down in there. I got my fingers all scooped up. Hang on. All right, I just went ahead and took the other side off too. Wow. I mean, the camera's picking up on the cross hatchings. I mean, it still has where somebody's honed it out and everything. Hasn't even ran that long to even take those out yet. That's really good. I just wonder what the bearings are going to look like and everything. Man, no hard edge on it or nothing. Hard edge up here. It's a little bit, not much. Yeah. This is what I was trying to tell you, Sky. I mean, right here, it would come down a little bit right here and then dip down in. There'd be a big dish right through here. That's stock factory dish pistons, but these are flat tops, or they just go flat all the way across. Yeah. So you got 30 over flat tops. Numbers visible on the other side. These here, I really got a lot of carbon on it until I get them cleaned up, but maybe I can get them cleaned up. Hang on. Okay, here we go. Still don't know if the camera's going to pick up on it, but we'll try. .030 right here. There you go. Yeah, you can still see everything in there. He paid $250 for this block with a transmission. So far so good. I haven't seen anything else. I mean, once I get the front broke down and oil pan off and rotate it, and we'll see what's going on with it. But yeah, so far so good. Not saying it's good to go. I'm not saying that at all. But yeah, we got oil in it too. All right. That before I flipped it over and oil went everywhere. Yeah, like I said, freeze plugs. Right there. Look at that. New freeze plugs. Everything. So far. Got lines in it, but no deep gouges or nothing like that in it. Oh, yeah. A light over here. I guess I could have turned that one on. Yeah. All right. Go. Down to there. All right. Get the cam specs. Once we get all that, the front end tore off. Good to go. All right, guys. Well, I'll keep you updated on this. Keep it going. Like I said, I got a 355. What I had in my old Camaro before I went to LS. So, yeah. Had 12-to-1 pistons in that. 202 double hump heads. 300 duration, 560 lift cam in mine. Yeah. So far, so good. Like and subscribe. Catch me on the next one. See you guys.